Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ukonrat ki sangma ulaong bana kaliang ka Sorkar kalapen kre ban Shem ya ki rai na ka benta ban seng ya tylli ki medical college hapo ka Jylla. Kata ya ka baon sa pynbna ha ka jingyalang ka kenhun menteri ha ka sngi thot dieng ka banwan. UCM ulaong ru ba ka jingpen kre halor ka ni ka jingtmu kala ya chakmat mentala bun benai. Hinrei kin sa pynbna ya ka rai ka bakong san bha ha ka te ka jingyalang ka kenhun menteri. Halor ka jingkeli UCM konrad sangma ulaong ba ka dei ka policy ka badan hakeleng kari. Kinu ki Jylla ki badan yala ki jong ki medical college kim yo satya ya ka bha ha ki wei pat ki college. Bat kata ka dei barabor ka jingya shem ya ai. Kumta ulaong bakin shem ya kani ka rai ka bakong san ha ka te ka jingyalang. Shu ulaong bakin yakmi halor kumno ka kam kan yan bat ha ka ju kapor ya ka pisa ka badai ban pelun bat ka rukom trekam ka ban sawan. Ulaong ru bada ka jing pendep ya kini ki tylli ki medical college onla ban pinmi kambun shu ki doktor haba yanu jor bat na ka ka balong menta.
But as I said, we have done extensive work we've been doing for the last couple of years, and in the last few weeks we had detailed number of meetings with Health Minister. I would want her to speak about it more, so let her speak about it, because she has also refrained from talking about it because we have not formally taken it up in the cabinet, which we will be taking it up on Friday. So in that we'll be making some very important decisions, and that will be announced on Friday. So please wait for that day, and the Honourable Minister herself will give you details about those. You see, it's a policy that is everywhere in the country. Any state that has their own medical college, they do not get the quotas in the other colleges. So it's always a give and take. So we have to take a decision at one point, and that's the reason why I'm telling you that you have to wait till the cabinet. All of these points will be brought out in the cabinet. Everybody should be aware of the kind of not repercussions in a negative manner, but what are the things that will happen post this decision is made, and what are the financial implications more importantly. So all these have been discussed, and I said I'm quite firm that we have to move forward in those things. And as I said, let the cabinet give the green signal after tomorrow, and Honourable Minister will share the details with you.